I was fearless back before I knew what fear was. Fearless. Now the more I know, the more I grow, the more I fear what at one time was only small, a game. More attachments, less encampments, the more I fear, the less youthful, the more truthful, the more I fear. For my love for what is precious is the weakness I've attained. And I'm no longer careless, I'm no longer tearless, I'm no longer painless, I'm no longer fearless. I was fearless back before I knew what fear was. Fearless. The more I feel, the more I reel, the faster I spin, spinning word from the world. The more I gain, the more I guard, the more I fear. For others' lives affect my life far and near. For my love for what is precious is Achilles' heel to me. And I'm no longer reckless, I'm no longer tearless, and I'm no longer aimless, I'm no longer fearless. I was fearless.